Alright, so now we're doing 8Q Grasshopper array mean. This is by Dan Levito, and 93% of people like it. What we're going to do is find the mean or the average of a list of numbers in an array. And we all know what that means, hopefully. So over here, what we're going to do to start off with is we're going to say, we're going to have like a result, and we're going to have it equal 0. So we can put the sum of the array in there, right? Now we're going to say for, and then we're going to say let I equal 0, and that's going to be index. Let index, let me write that. Index equals 0. And now while index is less than nums dot length, so the length of the array, so 4, whatever. While it's less than that, we're going to say index plus plus. We're going to iterate through the index, all right? Now we're going to say down in here, we're going to say result, result, and we're going to plus equals nums, the index at the current index, all right? And then after that, we're going to say return result. Oh, no, excuse me, return result divided by nums dot length. All right? So that way it's whatever this is, 16 divided by 4, right? And that's basically how you do it. Let's test it out. Yeah, it works, but that's a lot of typing, don't you think? When we could just do something cooler, easier, faster, and whatever. Couldn't think of another one. Here's reduce right here. I'm going to tell you about it. Reduce method executes a user-supplied reducer callback function on each element of the array in order, passing in the return value from the calculation on the preceding element. The final result of running the reducer across all elements of the array is a single value. And down here, perhaps the easiest to understand case for reduce is to return the sum of all the elements, right? And that's what we're looking to do. So right here, we're going to say no to this. We're going to say, well, we can keep that. And we're going to get rid of this. And then we're going to get all of this and say, get out of here. And then instead of that, we're going to say nums dot reduce. And let me show you how the syntax goes over here on reduce. What we're going to do here is we're going to put previous value, current value, and then we're going to have an arrow function with the sum formula. All right? So what we're going to do is prev for previous, cur for current. Then we're going to do the arrow function, and then we're going to say prev plus cur. So the previous number, in this case, it's going to be 0 plus 1. Excuse me, pardon me. When we do it like this, it's going to be 1 is going to be the prev, and then the cur is going to be 3, and then after that, those added together are 4. So it's going to be, the prev is going to be 4, and then the cur is going to be 5. So it's going to be 9, and blah 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 blah. All right. And now that we got that, we can say divided by nums dot length. Let's see what happens. All right, perfect. Attempt it. All right, submit it. And I very much like that. Let's go to My Solutions. All right, just me on that. Best practice in my opinion. And very liked it, and we'll see you next time.